This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDFN Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. The International Council of Shopping Centers and Goldman Sachs said sales at stores open at least a year fell 1.8% in the 7 days through December 27th. That is the biggest year drop since February 2003. According to the Conference Board, consumer confidence hit a record low in December. The index fell to 38 from a downwardly revised 44.7 in November. Economists expected a December reading of 45.8. Chicago's Purchasing Managers Index moved higher to 34.1 in December from 33.8 in November. And the Standard & Poor's Case-Shiller 20 City Housing Index fell by a record 18% from October last year. That's the largest drop since its inception back in 2000. In Forex news today, Gulf Arab leaders approved a monetary union agreement that aims to create a central bank and single currency for the region that will help boost trade and strengthen monetary policy. Russia devalued the ruble again, and Kremlin leaders urged government unity to deal with the biggest economic challenges in a decade. And the European Union Central Bank said that it will begin the new year under pressure to keep cutting interest rates after retail sales fell for a seventh successive month, and loans to households and companies grew at the slowest pace in 4 years. Treasury said that it will provide $5 billion to GMAC Financial Services, that's the ailing financing arm of General Motors, from the $700 billion bank rescue program. Pilgrim's Pride filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection earlier this month, saying it was hit hard by volatile feed costs and hobbled by its high debt. The company had been unable to fulfill its financial obligations and had a big interest payment due this week. Chesapeake Corporation has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection and plans to sell itself to a group of investors for about $485 million. And Jack's Pacific said it closed on its $28.3 million acquisition of Halloween costume and decoration company Disguise Inc. That deal also includes $27.6 million for license transfer fees and liabilities. Economic report for tomorrow on Wednesday, only one big one, initial jobless claims for the week of December 27th. In earnings news, Advanced Micro Devices said it expects to record an expense of $70 million in its fourth quarter in connection with a restructuring that involved the elimination of 600 jobs. ResCare expects profit between $1.52 and $1.58. Analysts were looking for a profit of $1.55 to $1.62. And Piedmont Natural Gas saying its fiscal full year 2008 profit rose 5.4%. The company reported a full-year profit of $110 million, or $1.49 a share. Analysts had expected $1.55. There are no earnings reports scheduled for Wednesday. This is New Year's Eve. But on Monday, January 12th, Alcoa will begin the fourth quarter earnings season when they announce their quarterly numbers. Stocks in the news today include Honda Motor Corporation, saying it sold 45,000 vehicles in China during November. That's up 8.7%. from the 41,500 in the same month last year. Ford plans to offer 2 Lincoln models in 2009 that can park themselves. Ford will also show a hybrid version of the Ford Fusion sedan next month. And Delta Airlines sold $196 million of stock to help pay for general expenses and employee withholding taxes on share awards related to its purchase of Northwest Airlines. And that is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.